The most important user interface elements of ActiveWords are your words and the actions you've associated with them. To complement that, ActiveWords includes a reference in the form of the ActiveWords icon and the ActiveWords text monitor. As you type, regardless of whether or not there is a text entry context, ActiveWords is watching your keyboard activity and triggering words at your command. The icon can be resized, moved and docked to various portions of the screen, top, bottom, right, and left, as can the text monitor. You can separate the monitor from the icon or snap it back. You can also control the look and feel of the icon. Just go to Options, select the Icon tab. You can choose to show or hide the icon. You can choose to show or hide the text monitor. And you can control the font and style used for the text monitor. In addition to providing a reference for your words and actions, the icon provides you an entry point to your data. Left-click on the icon to present a list of all of your records. You can experiment with and sort various fields. You can print. You can control what is filtered and how, as well as providing you with access to your tags that group ActiveWords in ways that are meaningful to you. Right-clicking on the icon gives you access to all the controls you'll need to use ActiveWords effectively, including adding new ActiveWords, as well as access to various tools and the complete set of options. The ActiveWords icon and text monitor provide a key reference to leverage your words and actions.